Good morning, students. My name is Amanjeet Kaur and I am going to teach moral science to 10th class students in this session. So just open your book unit first chapter, that is the beauty of silence, that come in your paper, in your syllabus, first term syllabus. So in this chapter we will talk about the importance of silence in our daily lives. So first I will tell you about the beauty of silence. The beauty of silence is eternal. Eternal means everlasting. It is peaceful and make our life as well as the lives of other beautiful. Further, I will explain this term by giving two examples. Like a tight hug means if we are giving a tight hug to our near ones, like to our mama and papa, we can show our love towards them without saying a single word. Clear? So next is a soft smile. Means if we are giving a soft smile to our nearest one, it reflects our happiness. So every day we depict a mountain of feelings without uttering a single word. So all that feelings come under the beauty of silence. Silence always speaks through eyes. How it speaks through eyes? Like shiny eyes. Shiny's eyes always shows happiness. Silent tear. It shows that we are sad. It shows our sorrows. And shyness always give us deepest meaning. Clear? So it always speak through eyes. Means without uttering a single words, we can express our feelings to others. Next is story of General Rodriguez. That is given in your books. We will learn in your books. Just see your book. General Rodriguez was an Argentinian war minister who led the army to many victories. He was the hero of that army, Argentina's army. So, because he led to many victories, the people of Argentina accepted him as a national hero and appreciated his war technique as well as military plans. Whatever the plans as well as the techniques used by him related to the war, that appreciated by the Argentina people. Once a press reporter asked him in an interview about the secret behind his achievement. Reporter asked about his achievement behind that. He thought for a moment and answered the question of the reporter in a single word, silence. Reply given by him, silence. The reporter was a bit confused and looked at him for some clarification because the silence not clear. So that's why he just want to more clarification from the journal. The journal pointed out to a number of maxims printed on the wall to his office room. It read, so one maxims printed on the wall, something is written there. So just he pointed toward that. What is written in that? Silence. Do good work silently. Love God and man silently. Do your duty silently. Accept God's will silently. Be happy with other silently. Conceal another's fault silently. Wish and aspire secretly in silence. Look toward heaven silently. Attain virtue silently. And last one is perseveres until death silently. So all these things written related to silence, that all the activities we have to do silently, like do good work without making noise, just silently. Love God and man silently. No need to say to anyone that we are loving to God. Clear? So love God and man silently. Do your duty silently. Do, if you are doing the work honestly, do your duty silently. Accept God's will silently. Means whatever is going on the world, that is God's will. So we have to accept it silently. So all these things written related to silence. So reporter, the answer given by the General Ross's silence is clear. Why he give this answer related to the question of a reporter? Because the person who will not, according to him, the person who will not lose patience during difficult time of life, that person always achieves success. And that patience only we can achieve the patience only when silence is there. So silence can calm down the mind. So main thing is behind the achievement of the General Rodriguez, that is silence. So that's why he pointed to the wall, that is silence. Clear? Silence is very much important. Next is written, The whole world has been changed into a global village, and everyone is somehow linked to the outer world. All these things have many advantages that help man in his development. Means we are living in a global area where so many people live, and all these things have many advantages that man help in his development. But it has also got certain side effects. Side effects also there side by side. Which type of side effect is there? One of them is noise. Means wherever we go, we come across this with noise, like in school, at home, on roads, and in public areas. So most important thing is written there: meaningful silence is always better than meaningful words. So that is true, that silence is much better than the meaningless words. Advantages of silence. So as you know that one cannot underestimate the importance of silence in daily life, as it is very much important to think, to reflect, to introspect. So all these things are only fulfill when we require silence in our life. So number of advantages written in your book, we will cover one by one. First is silence has energy to it like no other source. It has the power to make people think. It provides us energy to think, and according to that act. It calm down the mind. So I will explain this term by giving one example of famous cricketer, that is MS Dhoni, that he always play calmly in his life. Clear? So that's why he got success. Silence gives minds a room for introspection and self-reflection. It gives us a platform to self-analyze. It is an opportunity to think and learn from our experience. It provides us opportunity to think and according to that act. So this line also match with the General Rodriguez. Silence gives us a chance to reflect one who are as individual, what kind of relationship we desire and what we value and believe about life. Clear? So student, if you want to know about yourself in a better way, just try to spend time, because when you spend time, when you understand yourself better way, you will know about your strength as well as your weakness. So spend time and be in silence to understand yourself more. Next is, silence has a refreshing effect on us. It will improve our performance both in quality and quantity. Clear? So when we act in silence, in silence, it has a refreshing effect on us. Okay? It will help us to improve. Silence lowers blood pressure. Clear? It helps us to low down the blood pressure and allow us to deal with the life challenges in a better way. So when we are in tension, clear, the main simple way to remove our tension is just spend time in silence. Silence boosts our immune system. Clear? It is very helpful. Silence very helpful to boost our immune system, to increase our immune system also, making it easier for our body to fight invading bacteria and other infectious agents. As all of you know that during these days, pandemic coronavirus is spreading very fastly. So it is very helpful. Silence is very helpful to boost our immune system, because it if our immune system is strong, only then we will fight with the bacteria and other infectious agents. Clear? Next is, silence makes us happy. Spending time in silence boosts our brain chemistry also. It makes us happy also. And as a great side effect, we are able to focus better too also. Clear? So it is very useful to us because it makes us happy also. Silence makes a person look and feel younger, and at the same time we have a lot more energy. As we all know that to run we need also energy, same like a phone. Clear? As our phone battery down, we recharge it. So same like that, when we do lots of work in a day, we need to rest. So one of the way to recharge our energy is that be in silence. Next is, silence reduce stress, which is the biggest killer in the world. Clear? As well as adding 30 minutes of silence a day can change life also. So silence reduce stress. So because of this reason only, doctors suggest people take a walk in a garden when they are experiencing stress and pressure from work and life. So it is very helpful to reduce stress also. Silence allow for good hormone regulations and interaction of all the hormone related system in our body. So science also uh, with that term. Silence keep plaque from forming in arteries. Silence keeps plaque means small abnormal patch inside the body. So silence keep plaques from forming in arteries. It keep away, and thus it helping to prevent cardiovascular diseases and strokes. So it help us to reduce the chances of diseases also in our body. So as now you can know that it is very important, silence is very important in our daily lives. Clear? It reduces blood pressure, stress, it boosts immune system, it regulate the hormone system, clear, as well as it calm down the mind, it give us a chance to think like that. So many advantages are there. Now just move to next part, last page of your chapter. You can see that from silence to beautiful life, that how silence lead to beautiful life. 5 points are written there, just read it. Clear? Because explanation related to that already done by me in previous pages. Clear? Use silence in everyday life. During argument, try to be silent. During gossip also, because in a noisy environment we can't gossip. When someone talking, try to be listen carefully, silently. When alone at home, experience yourself, talk to yourself in silence. Regular reflection time. Clear? Thank you and have a nice day.